Hello, welcome. So today's video I want to do a pink Valentine's Day tutorial, and this is what I came up with. It's a very bold pink with a pop of duochrome. And everything else in my face is settled, but I did use the Colourpop UR A QT palette. This one I did customize myself just to make it look a little bit more interesting. And then I did use a shadow as my blush. I used the Beauty Holographic palette as my highlighter, and I used an Estee Lauder lip gloss. So if you are interested in watching, I hope you keep on doing so, and I hope you've been doing really well, and I thank you for clicking and watching this video. And with all that said, I will start the clip now. Oh, please don't mind my nose. I don't know why it decided to be red right now, but it is. So I'm revisiting this palette, and I love this palette. Okay, so this is what my palette looks like, and I did switch these two eyeshadows for different ones, just so I could have like an inner corner shade and a pop of like this pretty coral pink shade. I do want to go for like a pink look because of Valentine's Day. So the first shade I'm going to start off with is this one, and it's called With Love. And I put that as my transitional starting crease shade. And I'm going to be using my Sigma E40. It's got like a little bowl I found in a Victoria's Secret perfume, and I thought it was cute too to put that there. So I hope you've been keeping warm and keeping healthy and safe. It's already February, and I'm so happy to start a new month, and I don't know, I just think it's really exciting to have to go through a new month. And the seasons are always changing, and I think for California here we are getting warmer weather. So I'm not sure where winter is, but I'm not complaining. Yeah, I looked at the forecast ahead of time, and I believe starting Sunday it's going to be a high of 77, and then from that week forward, I believe next week it'll be like in the 80s. So it's gonna be like a mini summer for us. I mean, I just love the clear blue skies and not wearing a sweater. But for me, I do run a bit cold, so I always need a sweater, but not like a really huge, thick, layered sweater. So I did put the With Love shade all over, not all over, but underneath my waterline right here. And I put just a tad bit of it so there could be something there. And so the next shade I want to take is this one. Now this one's called So Fine. It's like a pink coral shade. It's really pretty and vibrant. I'll be taking that same brush, the Sigma E40, and I'll put that in my crease. Okay, so now I'm going to be blending, and this one is my BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. I would really want to take this shade called Cutie Pie, but this one is a bit powdery. So I think I'm going to be taking this one. This one's called Lover, and it's got like a berry fuchsia situation going on here. It's super pretty, so I'll choose that for my all over lid shade. This one's really pigmented. I think what I'll do is I'll wet my brush to make it more opaque and more metallic. Wow, that is so pink. Oh my goodness. This kind of look I would not wear on a date night. I think it's too much. But I think for like an outing, like going out somewhere, yeah, I think I would have confidence to wear this kind of pink look. Okay, so my eye look turned very bold. But it's a very pretty pink. It's just very bold, and yeah. Okay. So I think to do a little bit of a tiny difference for the eye look, I am going to be taking this shade called Kiss Me, and it's like a duochrome. It's got like a purple blue shift. It's really pretty, and I want to put that like in the center to make it pop a little bit more. And this one seems smooth, so I think I'll wet the brush as well. Just to kind of tone down that really bold fuchsia pink shade, and just kind of make it So I think that came out really pretty. It doesn't look so pink. It's pretty, I like it. So for the last eyeshadow I want to use is for an inner corner, and I am going to be taking this shade right here, and it's called Too Hot For You. I believe this shade is from another Colourpop palette, but I can't recall. I wish I remembered, because this shade is actually really pretty. So but I love it. I love it. It's a thumbs up for me. And by the way, if you like the video so far, please give it a like. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you. Okay, so I am going to be doing blush and highlight. And for my blush, I am actually going to be taking the same palette, and as you can see, there's a lot of fallout with this shade right here called With Love, so I'll use that as my blush. And then for highlighter, I want to take my Flower Beauty Galactic Glow Holographic palette, and I want to use this one. It looks white in the pan, but it's got like a pink shift. And I'll use that as my highlighter. So for my blush brush, this one is from e.l.f. So I think that eyeshadow shade was really pretty. I really love the tone to it, and I got the most use out of the shadow as I could, so now there's not as much fallout. But wow, it's really pretty. Okay, so next I am going to be using my e.l.f. highlighting brush to apply the highlighter. Okay, so off camera, I did apply this lip gloss from Estee Lauder, and I believe this one was called Plum something. I'll leave a link down below, but it's a travel size, and I just put it really lightly all over my lips. And now this is the whole completed finish eye look and face as well. So I hope you enjoyed watching. I hope it inspired you to look into your own collection to create a pretty pink look for Valentine's, or if you don't celebrate Valentine's Day. I hope regardless you have a really blessed day. May God bless always. I hope you have a good rest of your day or night, whatever time you're watching. Take good care, and I'll hopefully be back to do another pink eye look for the Valentine's Day season. Personally, I do enjoy Valentine's Day, so I hope you don't mind for the tutorials. I'll probably use like another palette from Colourpop, but I'm not sure which one yet. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll say bye now. Bye.